When the woman you like suddenly starts pulling away, she texts less, rarely calls, or even begins canceling plans you already made. It's normal to feel confused. Your emotions start mixing together. You begin asking yourself, what did I do wrong? And fearing, what if she's actually leaving me? And at this point, most men panic. They do things hoping she'll come back. But those exact actions push her even further away. In situations like this, many men make a big mistake. They start overtexting, sending long messages to clear things up, asking why she suddenly changed. The problem is, when you start chasing like that, you look needy, panicked, and desperate. Women are extremely sensitive to emotional energy. The moment she feels you losing control, she becomes even more uncomfortable, ironically. If you want her to come back and feel attracted again, you need to do the opposite. Step 1. Don't panic. Stay calm. The first and most important rule: don't panic. Sometimes women pull away not because they don't care, but to test your reaction. She wants to see whether you're the kind of man who loses direction the moment she steps back, or someone who stays grounded and calm. For example, she might say, "I've been really busy lately," or "I have a lot going on right now." Most men immediately think, "I messed up," and start sending multiple messages. "Are you okay? Did I do something wrong?" That only creates pressure. Instead, respond calmly. "I understand." Take your time, just a few words but powerful. Why? Because it shows two things. You respect her. Space are emotionally stable, and confident tit signals that you're not a clingy manwo. Depends on her to feel okay. Step 2. Don't rush to fill the silence. Many men are afraid of silence. When she doesn't reach out, they immediately try to fill the gap with messages or calls. But when a woman pulls away, it's not your job to fill that silence. This is often a test. She's observing whether you can remain calm or if you'll chase and lose control. When you keep filling the silence, she subconsciously thinks, "He's trying too hard to keep me." But when you stay calm and silent, she starts wondering, "Why isn't he chasing me?" And that curiosity is powerful. Step 3. Create space so she can miss you. The key to making her come back is allowing her to miss you. If you're always available, always replying instantly, always present, she never feels your absence. Start reducing intensity, not to play games, but to create healthy space. Scarcity creates value, and value creates attraction. When you pull back slightly, she begins thinking, "What is he doing now? Why isn't he like other guys who chase?" At that moment, your position changes. Step 4. Respond calmly when she reaches out. When she finally reaches out first. This is a crucial moment. Don't get overly excited. Don't demand explanations. Don't ask, "Why did you pull away?" If she texts, "Hey, I haven't heard from you in a while. Are you okay?" simply reply, "Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking." That's at .com.grounded.mature. This response makes her think, "Why is he so relaxed? Why isn't he upset?" And that calm confidence makes you more attractive. Step 5. Don't give certainty to easily. Many men fear being forgotten, so they stay constantly present, texting, liking posts, seeking attention. But the truth is, the easier you are to access, the less valuable your attention feels. Attraction needs mystery, it needs space, it needs balance. The less frequently you appear, the more impactful your presence becomes when you do show up. Step 6. Don't show neediness when she returns. If she starts coming back, don't show that you need her. Don't interrogate. Don't bring up the past. Just stay calm, respectful, and grounded. This sends one powerful message. You're whole on your own. Not a man whose happiness depends on one woman, and that energy is extremely attractive. Final thoughts. If you want her to come back after pulling away, control your emotions. Don't panic. Give her space. Stay calm. Stop chasing. When you stop overreacting, You shift from being predictable to being valuable. Stay calm and let her come to you. Thank you. Hope this helped.